I'll be honest, I lied with the thumbnail of this video. There are actually two ways to make money with AI in 2026. The first one is to create an AI influencer and make thirsty men pay for your pictures online. The second way, however, which is actually much better, is to build an app that solves a problem for you and then launch it for anyone around the world and make money while you sleep. You don't need to have a team. You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need to figure out how to set up payments. Everything can be sorted today with the help of AI, and the company leading this idea is Replit. Replit is a vibe coding platform that enables anyone to turn your idea into a ready-made app that can be launched on the App Store or a website that millions of people can use every single day. A mom just used Replit to build a mobile app to capture the memory of her infants, and she launched it on App Store, and she has made $1,500 so far, all by using Replit. And there are dozens of stories just like this. All you need is an idea and the will to turn it into reality. You just need to explain the website or app you want to build in a prompt, and it builds the entire design, it builds the server, the backend, the databases, the interactions on its own. You just have to communicate your idea in plain English. And I don't want to just talk about it. In this video, we'll turn an idea into a ready-made website and app that people can interact with, log in, pay for services, and you can launch this and make money with it. All of this is happening on this video by simply using Replit and not writing code. So this right here is replit.com. You simply describe the idea that you have and watch it turn it into an app in minutes. I'll log in into Replit, and this is what we see. So by describing what you want, it can build your website, mobile app, it can create designs for you, it can make spreadsheets, documents, pretty much anything that you wanted to make, 3D games, animations, the sky is the limit. Today, we're gonna build a simple website where I can enter my interests, I can enter the language that I prefer, and it is going to give me a ready-made newspaper that I can read and understand what's happening in industries that I am interested in. I was recently opening a newspaper and I realized that I'm not reading 50-60% of the news that they have because that's not interesting to me. So what if I can build a newspaper tailor-made for me? I would love to pay 200 rupees per month for that or 500 rupees per month for that subscription and get the most important news that is tailor-made for me and my interests delivered to me every day. So let's build out this simple app. So to build this website, I need to first define the user flow. When someone comes on my app, they need to answer a few questions about who they are, what are they interested in, what language do they prefer, and then how frequently do they want the news to be updated. So let me make a very simple bare bones prompt. So I will basically just say, build me a personalized news website. And here is how it should work. When someone visits the website, they see a setup screen asking them two things. What topics interest them? For example, tech, cricket, AI, finance, and they can also type their own topic. Let them pick from the tags or type their own. What reading style do they prefer? Serious or newspaper, punchy or chill and casual, or they want it to be in a Gen Z language. After the setup, generate a personalized news feed that looks exactly like a real newspaper with a big bold masthead at the top, layouts, section dividers, pull quotes, and proper typography. The news should feel curated just for them based on their interests. Use a real news API to fetch actual live news. Auto refresh the feed every 6 hours. You can even use Reddit or use Twitter to get the most important news for these interests. Show the time of the last refresh. Let users edit their preferences anytime from a settings button. Make it fully mobile responsive. Store user preferences in the browser so it remembers them next time. The design should feel premium, like a real digital newspaper, not a generic website. So this is what the prompt looks like over here. I described the user flow. I described what I want to see at the end, and I described how I want the website to look. It needs to be in the style of a real newspaper. And that being said, we can now simply just execute this. We can enable the plan mode so that it gives me a plan and then starts working on it. So now it's going to start creating a plan for how to execute this app. You will notice I said save user preferences in the browser. So after the first prototype is made, we can then ask it to integrate a Google sign-in so that anyone can sign in with Google and access the account that they have, and their settings and everything will be saved. And the Replit Agent 4 has already started working on this app idea. It's saying I have everything I need. Let me write the plan now. So it's going to create the app on the right, and on the left side, I can actually chat with Replit and give it advice for how I want to tweak my app. What other features do I want to add? If there are any bugs, I can ask it to also fix those bugs. This is the plan that it created. What and why build a full stack personalized news website. This is what it looks like. This is what is not in the scope. So these are all the steps it will take. It will ask me for the OpenAI API endpoints. So now I'll just say start building. So now this will actually start executing everything, writing different code files, creating the front end, asking me for different APIs, and all of this is happening at the same time. Now the best part about Replit is that you don't even need to give it an OpenAI key. As you can see, it will simply bill it to the Replit credits. Normally you would have to sign up on the OpenAI dev portal and then top up your account, and then you will get the API key. Here it just happens automatically. OpenAI integration is ready. Now I need the news API key to fetch the live news headlines. To fetch live news for your personalized newspaper, please provide a news API key. You can go over here and just sign up and copy your API key from the dashboard. So let me just go here and get my API key. So I made my free account and this is my API key. I will blur it, but you can generate it by creating your own free account over here. The good part about this news API is that you can send 1,000 requests every 45 minutes for free. And our app is already taking shape. As you can see, the Replit coding agent is working on making different files, setting up the API integrations, and we should now be seeing our interface in just some time. Okay, so now it has launched the design sub agent in parallel so that it can create the UI of the app. And this is the design. It's called the daily brief. You can select the interest that you have. Let's say I'm interested in tech, AI, finance, and business. And then I can choose the style. I want to go ahead with Gen Z. And then I can just click on read my paper. And then it would start building out the paper by collecting all the latest news in these spaces, using the news API and showing it to me right here. Wow, look at that. Okay, so this is the first headline. He left big law, became a DJ to pay his bills, and built sports clubs inside refugee camps. Now he wants more members than Bayern Munich. Replit not only builds the app, it also runs validations to check if there are some bugs and errors on the website that you've just built. So it will check all of this, as you can see, running validation, and then you can interact with the app and give it some feedback if you want to. So we can read all of these different sections. I can filter it for business, finance, tech, or AI. And I can also go in the settings and change my topics if I want to. So let's say I want to learn about cricket and sports and politics and entertainment, and I want it to be a very serious vibe. Then I can click on this, and now it's going to send another API request and get all the latest news about these fields right over here. As you can see, this is the news about cricket. We have some news about other platforms as well. And there are other interests also listed over here. And Replit is already giving me suggestions. So the first one is to read your newspaper on the go with a mobile app. So it will now build a mobile version of the website that it just built. Keep the news fresh even when the AI is slow, or let users bookmark articles to read later. So I can also enable any of these tasks and it will start executing this parallelly while it is building any other feature. Yes. The good feature about Replit is that if you click on this plus, you have a new chat where you can assign it new tasks. So you can have multiple agents creating different features for your app live parallelly, and then you can merge these with the original main version right here. Now this is the working prototype, but let's say we want to do two more things. The first is to create a Google sign-in process. So basically you can use Google Firebase, create a project over there, and then enter the authentication ID here in the Replit app. Just ask it. All right, now I want to integrate a Google sign-in process So I'm going to use Firebase for that. Now let's say if I want to publish my app, so I can simply click plus over here and I can publish over here, and we'll make it public for anyone, and I'll just click on publish. So now this link anyone would be able to access. I'll put it in the description of this video, and if you click that, you can actually use this app every single day. So try that out if you are interested. So now I have a published website that I wanted to create. It is live for people to use. And now I can manage all of that with the help of Replit. I can even buy a custom domain for my app right inside of Replit. I don't even need to go anywhere else. And look at that. We now have a ready-made app with a Google sign-in with a revenue subscription model using Revenue Cat, and it is published for anyone to use out there. How cool is that? So that is Replit. This was the daily brief app that I just built from scratch. 20 minutes ago, it was just an idea. And right now it's a full-fledged app that I just built in this video. This is honestly nuts. Go try out Replit with a link in the description of this video, and tell me in the comment section, what questions do you have? What apps will you build? And if you're still watching till the very end, right? I watched till the very end in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.